What a sensational idea. Oh yeah, that's good. That's a good one.
Sans, come look. I finally did it. I caught a human.
Hey, let us out of here. I am very unhappy.
See? Humans.
I don't think those are humans, pal. You should let them out.
We're actually just staying put to be polite.
Quiet, you. Of course they're human, Sans. I can feel it in my jugular.
I don't think they're humans. They are, though.
Huh? Tracks. I guess I'll let you two non-humans out there. Wrong button.
Hey, bro, someone ought to bar you from pressing those buttons. Oh, good night, everybody.